we're gonna be.
You gonna get 40. That was close.
Hey, let's just roll and then in that side we'll go.
Where at?
In that white side, we'll hit it.
All right. Our shit kind of neck and neck though.
Yeah.
I need some more pipes on this motherfucker though.
Oh God.
Yeah.
I'm gonna catch you, bro.
Already be easy, son. Gotta keep the screen clean though. Hold up. Y'all see the difference? All that motherfucking pollen, dog. Should be crazy. Pollen, a motherfucker. All right, man, I tried to get an angle of me cleaning it, bro, but I'm just not gonna be able to, so. Yeah, y'all see my shit cleaned up, man. You know what I'm saying? Got the work clothes where I sleep at. You dig? Shed clean. About to go ahead and take off. But yeah, man, we on the way to chill, dog. I just got off work. You dig? Oh, shit, man. I'm getting tired as hell, dog. We done made it to another day, though. Thank God. You feel me? Ooh. You know what, man? Let's take a detour, man. This way is my old elementary school. Are there kids around here, bro? I know it's school not going on right now. But yeah, man. Let me turn my heat off. There is my old elementary school, man. What, I went there like fucking 15 years ago. I'm gonna go in there. I'm gonna go in there, man. I haven't been around here in years. I think, yeah, I haven't been around here in years, man. Crazy. Still kind of looks the same. Ain't no different. playground. Got the park right here. Big open field. Brings back memories, dog. Remember, I met a lot of my friends on that playground. Motherfuckers playing, horsing around. People that I still know to this day. Looks like they got a little league team going on or some type of practice. I ain't gonna be here for long though, man. You know we the only one here in this motherfucker, dog. Getting this money though. You feel me? Yeah. Taking a little smoke break real quick. Y'all know what it is, man. Just got off work. Trying to get this food, bro. I've been in this line forever. Ski. Shit. Boy, it's like a Bentley right here. Yeah, man, y'all see I'm topping my shit out with one hand, man. Real driver. That was like 163. Hey, that's good suspension though. Yeah, man, I'm on the way to shower up and shit, man. You know we on the road with this shit. Like I said, oh, damn. I said he going crazy. That shit fast as hell. He gone. What's up with this guy? Dickhead. What the fuck's wrong with that guy? Do you try to get an insurance claim or something? Yeah, this city right here is that city where it's just wild at, man. Cars are just crazy out here, man. Mexico's a wild place, bro, I tell you, man. There's fucking no rules out here, bro. It's just fucking crazy. But yeah, man, we close to the destination. I'm gonna get cleaned up and edit some videos for real. Probably catch y'all back in the morning for real though. Yeah, I see this shit, man. Yeah. Crazy. Oh shit. Alright, man, I'm leaving the city. You know what I'm saying? I've been at the bro crib the whole time. So, yeah. I don't know the vibes, dog. Trying to get up, man. Oh, wait, boy.
I could just tell when a person's mom was a sex worker.
What?
What? You gonna take that, John Jones?
I ain't gonna lie, listen.
All right, man, I ain't been recording as much, but I just got off of work yesterday. Pulled up to the spot. Stayed in the front seat today, just fell asleep, you know what I'm saying? Had the covers with me. Ain't no problem, dog, but yeah, man, we finna just go get some more clothes and shit and get some food. And then yeah, we're gonna head back into work. Keep the routine going, dog. It rained again today, so I don't know how much point of view footage I'm gonna get today, but you know I'm gonna try to get something, man. So yeah. Dig. Let's get it, man. So what's up with it, man? I'm on the way to wash some clothes, dog. Look, the place I've been brushing my teeth at and, you know what I'm saying, using the bathroom and shit like that they just told me. The boss lady been seeing and I've been there after hours and shit like that, blah, 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 and she don't want me to do it no more, so we're gonna have to find a new spot. What I'll start doing is probably doing that stuff at my job when they open early, because they won't have a problem with one of their employees coming and doing that, man. So we'll do that and shit. Really, I'll sleep in the parking lot of my job too, shit. I mean, it's my job, bro. So yeah, we could do it like that, bro. So, you know what I'm saying? It's all good. But yeah, man, we just on the way to wash some shit up, man. Make sure everything clean, man. Gotta keep everything clean, dog. You know what I'm saying? That's a must, regardless. So I did, that's a must. Must not stink shit, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, let's get to it, bro. I don't know what we doing, man. We at the laundromat with it. I be fucking with the Migos laundromat, dog. They cool as hell over here. But yeah, we just gonna wash a few sets of clothes, dry them shits, and go ahead and get up out of here, dog. All right, man, so just got off work, dog. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't been recording this much these last, probably, I just been trying to get my stuff together and shit, though. But yeah, the job came with some more bad news. When they told me I couldn't work OT the other couple of days, I went and talked to the big boss, and he was like, okay, you can come in Saturday and Mondays and still come in early. But boom, so I've been doing that, and now they just said today another manager came and said, yeah, overtime out of pocket, like, can't come in early. Only come in like 5 minutes before your scheduled time, and you can only come in on Saturdays now for OT, man. So I ain't gonna be able to run it up like that like I want to at this job, dog. So we really just gonna have to grind this YouTube shit on a different level, dog. I need a miracle. Okay, I need something. Cause yeah, bro, I'm used to running it up, man. So this ain't gonna suffice. This ain't gonna work for me, dog. I got to go crazy. So, but yeah, man, we gonna shit. So the place I was sleeping at, they said they don't want me to do that shit no more. So, we just gonna go to like a Walmart parking lot. Gotta watch that YouTube on that video. Come on now. That drisky shit. Alright, man. Move to the next spot.
Let's go. First day out, yeah, I'm in the
Ain't no way.
I'm getting to the money,
Motherfuckers find me where I'm at, dog. So I'm gonna park up, go to sleep, wake up in the morning, get cleaned up. Yeah.
We're gonna be back at 9 a.m.
Hey, you got something to say before we dismiss?
Man, hey, can I tell you something? Security.
Look at this rat ass nigga, man.
Watch, man. Man, look, man. I was right there and I got my witness out, you know. Let's see if it. Not your witness.
Hey, brother. You still? You know what I'm saying? Hey, listen, that's not gonna get you no more C's, brother. You got the most C's right now. I'm proud of you.
Sick, man.
You keep snitching. I told you. You do. Don't tell me about it. We'll talk, baby.
Y'all see the vibes, man.
You're not gonna find them. I'm a bunch of.
Hey y'all, nice to meet you.
Isn't that like a 50-year-old gay guy?
Chris!
Yeah, Stewie, isn't Bruce gay?
How should I know, man? I should be the one asking you that.
I'm the house on the corner. You know the incongruous purple.
Y'all see the vibes, dog. Don't mind my toe.
I've left my
Dick.
dogs exposed.
Y'all know the vibe, dog. Another day with this shit.
I walk by, they smell the odor. Young nigga geeked up his motor. Ain't sent shots, he sent some floaters. Take a trip to Miami just to go and see some boaters. My young niggas some players, but they know they can't even coach us. Roll a fat ass one and smoke that bitch down to some roaches. He jumped up in that water and